So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making a healthy appetizer. So as you see, I'm starting off with some frozen peas, and I just let them thaw out in water for about 5 minutes, and then I rinse the water out. And now I'm just mashing the peas up. We're going to be making like a spread with these peas. So that's what I'm trying to do, is mash them up basically. Mash, 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 mash. And this is going to be what I like to call zucchini fingers. It's a little appetizer. I made this for like a quick snack throughout the week, and it actually tasted really, really good. So I'm just mashing the peas up. You don't have to mash all of them up, but majority of them, you know, just to get like a paste. That's what we're really trying to make, a spread paste type of thing. And you're actually going to see me in a little bit add an egg to hold this all together, and I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna add pieces of spinach in there. That's also the other vegetable that I'm adding in there. So I'm just taking some spinach leaves, and I'm gonna rip up the spinach leaves and add it in there as well. Also some olive oil and cheese. And I call these zucchini fingers mainly because they're I call them zucchini fingers mainly because they are cut up in kind of like rectangles, and I just have a paste over them, so that's all. So I'm continuously mashing these peas up. Once again, if you want your peas to be like whole, you can, don't do as much as me, but I'm doing this because I wanted it like to be a taste of, I want it to be a paste. So I am done now. Cracking an egg, putting one whole egg in there. If you have more peas than me, you go ahead and add 2 eggs in there, and I'm just gonna mix this all up. This is really gonna hold everything together. And then I'm gonna add in, pepper, the spinach pieces, cheese, olive oil. So as you can see right there, I actually added up some pieces of cilantro and actually some diced garlic, some fresh garlic, and I'm just mixing everything all together. So we have olive oil, egg, one whole egg, green onions as well. I chopped up some green onions and put in there, and there goes the diced garlic. So, and some cilantro for some flavor. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle some cheese in there. I use cheddar cheese, and yeah. So right here, I cut up the zucchinis in kind of like rectangles and strips, basically. That's why I'm calling this zucchini fingers. And I'm putting the paste, the spread, on top of it. So that's all I'm pretty much doing. So for this whole section of the video, I'm just gonna try and fill up the pan with all this spread and stuff, putting it on there, and then I'm going to bake this. I'm gonna put some foil on top of it first, cover the pan with foil, and then I'm gonna bake this for a good 30 minutes, and everything should be good to go. So as you can see, I'm just putting some more of the spread on top of it, and I'm gonna bake it. So share and subscribe to my channel, and here's the finished product.